Are you ready to make your money work for you? Well, listen, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but I'm going to tell you something. First of all, I want to know, have you ever wondered how to make smart decisions with your money? Maybe you want to, save for the future. You want to buy your dream house or just feel more secure. The problem is that there's so many choices out there, it can be hard to know what to do. So, don't worry. Basically, you're not alone. A lot of people feel stuck when it comes to investing, but here's the good news. Today, we're going to be exploring the best investment decisions that you can make to grow your money and to feel more confident about the future. All right? So, here are 5 great recommendations to get you started. Number 1, invest in stocks. All right? So basically, you're going to learn how to pick companies that grow over time. Okay? Number 2 is real estate. I like stocks better personally. A house or a property could really help your money grow while giving you a place to live. Number 3, you start a business. You'll use your talents to create something special that earns you money. Number 4, bonds. Bonds are a safe way to earn money over time with less risk. Number 5, you're going to diversify. So you don't put all your eggs in one basket. You spread out your money for more chances to win. Now, don't wait, okay? Smart choices are done today, and compound interest works over time. It's a snowball effect. So that's the way that works. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.